I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you are new here, I thank you and appreciate you for joining me today. I do hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffins! Alright y'all, so Outre just recently dropped a few more new wigs, and of course I had to pick them up. I didn't pick them all up, but I did pick up a few of them. And today I'm going to be reviewing their 5-inch deep part lace front wig in the style AMARILIS. That's what I'm going to go with, AMARILIS. That sounds so pretty. So AMARILIS comes pre-plucked with HD transparent lace. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and I happen to have her in the color DRFFGLDAM. She comes in so many pretty specialty colors like DR Caramel, DR2 Cinnamon Wine, DR4 Tiramisu, DRFF Red Velvet, and 3 DRFF Ginger Mahogany. Very pretty specialty colors that you probably want to check out. Alright, so let's just go ahead and dive right on into this review.
Talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah.
Alright y'all, so before I get into my thoughts on this beauty, you may be seeing a few of these units this week in this same image right here. Alright, so on to my thoughts. I absolutely love this body wave style. This is such a classic style that like will never die and that you can never go wrong with. Body wave styles will still remain. Very pretty style. I love this color. I have reviewed this color a couple times now. This golden amber, and I really love it. I think it's very pretty and very complimentary, might I add. And with the dark root, it sets it off. I also love the fact that I didn't have to glue this unit down. She is glueless, which makes her beginner friendly. There's not a whole lot you have to do with this unit. Take her on out the package, put her on your head. You may have to tint the lace now, depending on your skin color. You're probably going to have to tint this lace, and you're going to have to go into that parting space to brighten it up, and you know, just make it distinct. Unless you're just somebody that don't care about that, and that's fine too. No judgment here. As you mentioned, it also has a really nice density. It's not like super thick and full, and it's not like super lightweight where it feels like you have nothing on your head. So I feel like it's a nice balance in density. Now the texture is that in between super light silky but mostly Yaki. I feel like it is more Yaki. There is more Yak in here than Silk, but I still think there's some Silk in here left behind. So it's just another one of those combos. I also really love this little swoop action going on. Like anytime they include a little swoop action, I'm here for it. Give me the swoop. All right, so let me get into just a few little cons. When I talked about the texture, although I said it was a combo, like this, I don't know, it's something about this hair that makes it feel a little dry and rough, and it could be the color that I have. I wonder if the natural colors feel the same way. So if somebody has reviewed this or plans to review this in like a natural color, mention that. Let me know, because I'm really curious to know, you know, if it's the same for the natural color, because this feels like, it's like rough. It feels like a little rough hair. It's pretty, but she rough. We also got some heavy shangling, y'all. Whew. The shedding and the tangling is oh so real. But it is a very long unit, and I mean long. I'm sitting here like, dang, this joint is like coming down to my waist just about. And that's about like 26 inches at least. So she's pretty long. And of course, when you have length like that mixed with this combo texture, you definitely gonna get some tangling and some shedding. So yes, we are shangling. My last con is for the size of this cap. I cannot say that she's all head friendly. This cap is like super snug on my small to medium sized head, measuring at 21.5 inches. So if you are bigger than that, whew, you might get a little migraine, sis. All right, so let's get into the price. You can find this wig in the price range of $30 to $35. That's very affordable, I think. My opinion, super affordable for a synthetic unit with this length, this color. Like, it's really a pretty styled unit. It just, you know, it just got a few little cons. Of course, the price will depend on the color that you choose, as well as the site you choose to get her from. So as usual, I will leave a shopping link down in the description box below so that you can check it out if you're interested. All right, y'all, so that's really all I have for you today. Of course, I would love to know your thoughts, so let me know what you think about this unit down in the comments below. Let's go ahead and chat about this baby. Also, if you have made it this far to represent this beautiful golden color, go ahead and leave me this golden bell right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I appreciate you for that. If you're not already, make sure you're following me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I would love to see you there as well. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm all